All right. Did you know in about 25 years, this has happened to me once? Look, I don't know. I was doing some like yard work. I was trimming up the rose bush, and then I looked down and it was just kind of like a lot worse. But this happened to me once with a Gerber knife I got when I was like 15. So this is kind of how I fixed it. Or I fixed it back then. I don't really have much experience with this shit. Like I said, this is kind of a weird happenstance. What I did last time was I had a Torx screwdriver. I didn't have any pliers because I think I was working at Portillo's. You ever heard of Portillo's? Badass diner in Chicago. Anyways, I just did that, put it on reverse, and then I remember bending it straight again. Just to keep it like stable. I think that should be good. I don't, because one thing I didn't want to do was kind of like bend where the screws are. Because you could think about that bend right there as like a plate. And then if you bend the plate, it's not going to sit flush into that recessed groove. So let's see. Just reverse the process. Get that in there. That started. That started, so I don't have to fucking lose a screw. Okay. So it looks like we got a little bit more to go. That son of a bitch. Wise guy. Thought it was slick. This is like DIY, how to fix your pocket clip. So I'm gonna take it against the edge now. Like, you know, the edge of a counter, a cash register. You're working as a cashier at a diner. Things you do. You gotta fix your pocket knife. You luckily found a screwdriver that works. That should be good right there. And if not, then I will get pliers because this is a deep carry pocket clip. In my defense, that one Gerber I had, it was a cheap little Gerber from Walmart. I think it was like 15 bucks. And I thought it was good. It worked. It just got dull really fast. And I just thought that's how life was, you know? But I used to like Gerber knives, like, because you could get them at Walmart and they were decent. And I used to say, like, I used to laugh whenever I bought a new one at the store because that's all I bought when I was like early teens. Um, like Gerber, it feeds you when you're young and protects you when you're old. It's not the same company. There we go. Yeah, a little bit right there, but not bad. I can deal. What was concerning to me was these two little thin areas. Bending that back and forth, I was kind of expecting it to snap in this video. I can hit up Cold Steel and see if I can get a few more of these pocket clips. The only reason I think I don't care as much is because I carried this one without a pocket clip for so long, and it was really nice. But inside the waistband, this is perfect. Like, you know, just like every other Cold Steel. Oh, shit. There we go. It's been a minute, huh? That like little fuller thing that they got there is perfect nail nick.